Good day and welcome to CEO Gauteng's last installment on our series on the recognition agreement and specifically the organizational rights contained in the recognition agreement. In this last video we will be discussing section 16 right, which is the disclosure of relevant information, and with me is Tammy Philpott, who's our senior dispute resolution official that will be able to provide us with more clarity on the matter. So Tammy, what do you understand under the disclosure of information? What information is actually relevant?
Thanks very much, Adams. Yes, disclosure of information is generally any information that a trade union seeks in order to assist them function within the organization. This could be, for example, a list of all employees' names, or possibly financial statements of the employer should the employer be seeking or ensuing a retrenchment process.
Okay, and in terms of the relevance, is the union entitled to all information, or is there certain limitations on it?
Yes, no, definitely not. The law is quite strict with regards to what documents can be disclosed and what may not. For example, private or confidential information of employees may not be disclosed. Any information that may cause harm between either the employer or the employee, or specifically like legal privileged information, that can also not be disclosed. Should an employer provide a trade union with such information and want this information to remain confidential, the employer must expressly provide so in writing on the documentation and give the trade union 30 days notice thereof.
Okay, thank you. And then in terms of the employer not being able to disclose the information or not willing to, is there any recourse for the union? What can they do? How can they resolve the matter?
Absolutely. Yes, should the employer fail or refuse to disclose any information that is relevant to the trade union, the trade union can then refer the matter to the CCMA, whereby a commissioner will then determine the matter at conciliation. Should the matter there remain unresolved, the matter will then be referred for arbitration, where the commissioner will make a binding award. This is very important to remember, though. The information itself must be relevant, and that is where a commissioner comes in and makes his finding.
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for staying tuned for our series of videos, and also like and share our page, and stay tuned for our next series of videos. Thank you.